Hi, today we are going to make a pop-up card of our sail ship version 2. And it's quite easy to make. To make this beautiful card, we will be requiring a cutting mat, A4 size paper, print out 160 GSM or so, any one of the colored papers of A4 size, an empty ballpoint pen, a scale, paper cutter, glue, and if required a scissor. First we will score out all the fold lines with the help of an empty refill ballpoint pen and a scale. The importance of scoring the fold lines I'll tell you later in this video. Then we'll cut out all the cut lines with the help of a paper cutter. A piece of advice: while using a paper cutter, kindly be very careful because though it is a very useful tool, it has a very sharp edge. We have to take special care when children are around so that they don't get hold of it, otherwise they might injure themselves or might injure someone else. You must have noticed that the first thing I did on the printout was to score all the fold lines. Scoring the fold lines is very important because after you have finished cutting and will be folding the card, these score lines will help. You just have to fold the paper and the paper will automatically fold along the fold lines because of the scores. Scoring also helps in giving a clear and perfect fold lines. For any help, query or guidance, you may email me at versovahobbies@gmail.com. This pop-up card is of a sail ship. It is so beautiful to see a sail ship gliding gracefully in the seas, traveling from one country to another, and it is so adventurous also. So this would make a great gift card for anyone who is going on vacation on a cruise. I would love to travel in one of such sail ships and to see the world. This pop-up card is designed in such a way that it is very easy and doesn't even take much expertise or time to make it. And in the first attempt, if you are not happy with the result, you can always discard it and make a fresh one. Also, you can replicate as many pop-up cards of this design as much as you want. We will fold the card on the opposite side so that all the print lines will lie hidden on the back side of the card. Make all fold lines crisp and sharp with the help of a blunt plastic. Take any colored paper of A4 size 160 GSM, fold it in half and place our greeting card in the center and paste it as shown in the video. On the bottom part, you can write any greeting or message. Handmade cards always make a great gift. Handmade pop-up cards are always looked upon with interest, admiration, and respect. When you give this card to your friend, to your relative, they will appreciate it more because you have taken the pains, the time you have spent in making it, and you have shown your creativity side too. And as for always, thanks for watching with interest.